Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Thursday evening. Are you losing your mind yet? No? Well, you know what? I think I'm going to lose my mind for you because this is incredible stuff. And we have another storm coming, folks. I'm sure you've heard all the rumors. You see the supermarkets, people are just going nuts. They're out of control. But this is what it could sound like. I want you to listen to this. I want you to listen to this. Sounds like Bill Clinton. I want you to listen to this. This could be what's happening Saturday night and Sunday morning. Listen to the wind. Woo! Honey, I think my toupee blew off. Oh, wait, it's still here. Wait, my hair's still here. Wow, listen to that wind. That's what could be happening here Saturday night and Sunday. My friend Jesse Timberlake in Cape Elizabeth, Maine, old friend of mine, said, hey, Mark, what are we going to get here in Cape Elizabeth? Well, Jesse, if what I see verifies, in Cape Elizabeth, Maine, you get over 2 feet of snow. Are you still talking to me? No, I don't blame you. All right, weather headline time. We're talking about bitter cold and wind coming in tomorrow behind tonight's cold front and Alberta Clipper that brought a dusting to 1 inch or 2 of snow. But the real snow begins Saturday afternoon, and the potential is there for an eastern New England blizzard Saturday night and Sunday to be followed by brutal cold and wind. Temperatures as of early this evening are running in the 20s throughout much of New England. We've got single numbers in teens north and west, and it's below zero now in eastern Canada. And this kind of air on strong northwest winds blowing in here for tonight and tomorrow with wind chills of 5 to 25 degrees below zero. Now, late this afternoon, early this evening, still some elements of snow coming into the greater Boston area, southern New Hampshire, another patch coming into the Cape, and a new patch in Connecticut needs to be watched. But it's a fast mover. It'll be out of here this evening. Some of the roads could be slick. It's all being caused by a weak area of low pressure with a cold front moving through eastern New York State. This will move offshore tonight. Behind that, Arctic high pressure builds in tomorrow. Low pressure blowing up over the Maritimes. A high in here means a strong northwest wind, a very cold air. I doubt Boston goes over 15 tomorrow afternoon. So we say, as we look at the latest water vapor loop, goodbye to a cold front and low pressure moving off the northeast coast tonight. Here's the next package of energy in the Pacific Northwest, joining hands with energy coming down off the map here. They're going to be moving towards the east coast. The mean storm tracks on the east coast. It falls in this position over the weekend, and I think we've got some major league problems. Let's use the European model. This is valid for Saturday night at 1 o'clock in the morning. Low pressure intensifying quickly southeast of New England, actually southeast of Nantucket to be exact, with an increasing northeast wind and snow falling at a very good clip in the greater Boston area. And by 1 o'clock Sunday afternoon, this thing has deepened, intensified to beat the band. I think we have about a 968 millibar low just southeast of Nantucket, continuing to deepen, but it is moving away. But still at 1 o'clock Sunday afternoon, it should be going nuts in the greater Boston area with heavy snow, northeast winds 30 to 60 miles an hour. We're going to put on the 500 millibar map. Again, this is the weather at halfway up through the atmosphere, and you're looking at a contour, actually a 3-contour closed low sitting south of Cape Cod. If this is the real world, there's a low here. The winds northeast from about the ground up to about 25,000 feet, bringing copious amounts of moisture into Arctic air. We have to have a lot of snow, and at the moment, that's what I'm going for. Let's look at the snowfall map. 12 inches plus from the Merrimack Valley, Boston, Cape Cod. There'll be over 2 feet once you get from Portsmouth, New Hampshire to Portland, Maine to Down East, Maine. 6 inches plus, 495 to Worcester, and lesser amounts off to the northwest. Okay, forecast for Boston goes like this. Light snow this evening, piling up a dusting to 1 inch or 2, and then ending windy, bitter cold late at night. It's 0 to 6 above. Northwest winds 15 to 35 miles an hour. Dangerous wind chills as cold as 25 below. Here's your 5-day outlook. Partly sunny, windy, bitter cold tomorrow near 15, going below zero, probably even in Boston tomorrow night with a deep snow cover on the ground. And on Saturday, cloudy and cold with snow developing during the afternoon, probably around 2 or 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon in Boston. Temperatures in the teens, snow getting steadier and heavier Saturday night with an increasing northeast wind. Probably blizzard conditions in Boston Sunday morning. Temperatures staying in the single numbers. The storm winds down by mid to late afternoon. Monday, brutally cold near 9. There could be more snow on Tuesday. So after having a non-winter, we keep saying this, for all of December and half of January, man, are we getting slammed. I've never, ever, ever have seen a winter like this. If you're older than me, I'm going to be 60 July 4th. If you can remember anything worse than me, send me an email. I'd love to hear from you. Weatherblast@gmail.com. I'm meteorologist Mark Rosenthal.